It makes you go into your day with such a grateful heart, and I really believe that you attract, that to you. We've had an amazing, morning meditation, and, things happen during the day. So you may find that you leave this meditation session and you're just in the most amazing mood. You're ready to take on the day. You're in a great positive headspace. And then you leave and you start your travel to work. And then something happens. I don't know, maybe someone cuts you off in traffic, or you get on the tube and someone pushes you. What I really want you to do is I want you to try and maintain this place, this positive mindset. Don't let anybody dictate your mood today, And if you feel yourself really, getting into that place of negativity, negative thoughts, then what I want you to do is I just want you to just take a moment to inhale twice through your nose and then exhale out through your mouth until all the air has left you. So you're going to go I want you to basically do that 3 times. And then I want you to think to yourself, choose again. Choose again. You can always choose again. Always choose again, and then start to think thoughts that are going to be more positive, that are going to lead you into positive emotions. If you start thinking negative thoughts, that's just going to lead you down the path of negative emotions. So you want to think positive thoughts so that they lead you towards positive emotions. And we're only human, so things are going to happen. We're going to be traveling on public transport, someone maybe gets in the way, pushes you or whatever, someone cuts you off in traffic. Those things are going to happen. We can't control those things. We can't control what others do, but we can control ourselves and we can take ownership for ourselves, But yeah, choose again. Make a different choice. If you feel yourself going down that negative road, choose again. Make a different choice. Choose positivity. I found that just mind-blowing. And you know what? That's because I was attracting that to me. I mean, after meditation, I'm on such a high. I'm like walking in love. I'm like on cloud 9. It's just like positivity and love is just oozing from me, And I just want the whole world to experience it. And then as I'm walking home from the gym, everyone is saying good morning to me. It's pretty amazing. So you really do attract what you're putting out. So if you're putting out negativity into the world, then you're literally going to attract negativity. You're literally going to attract that throughout your day. So you have to take a moment, take a breath, and then choose again. Choose again. It's always difficult in the moment, especially if you're, really feeling those negative emotions, but choose again, choose positive emotions. Well, choose positive thoughts that are going to lead you into positive emotions. But yeah, that's it from me. And I look forward to seeing you again in 2 weeks' time. Make sure that you're doing this every day. Your morning routine is what sets you up for the day. It is so important. So if you can do this every day, I'm telling you, it's just going to make such a big difference to your day, Setting your day up to win every single day. All right. Love ya. Mwah. Peace.